Hey everybody, Justin here with Ultra Bright Lights, and today we're going to go ahead and unbox the Feniex Quad 1X and 2X dash lights. So you receive your dash lights similar to this. First, I'm going to open them more gently than I am. And inside, you're going to find an additional bag with everything inside of it. So this one here is the Quad 2X dash light. Here's how to extend your warranty, and also a link and instructions on how to download the instruction manual. There's going to be no instructions inside. The only instructions that are included are the mounting and removal of the suction cups to change it out to a permanent mount, which you can watch in our other video. Here are your permanent mounts. Let me just have, we really pack these nicely. It's got one last piece to unwrap. And finally, we have arrived at the Quad 2X dash light. Likewise for the 1X. Again, they really pack these so nicely. Once again, instructions for extending your warranty. You can register the product on Feniex.com, and instructions with a QR code to download the instruction manual. Instructions for changing the permanent mount, and of course your permanent mounts. Likewise, just one more piece of foam to cut off. Now we have our Feniex 1X dash light. Be sure to check out our other videos for learning more about the Feniex Quad dash lights. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.